Hey retro gamers, looking to relive your childhood or dive into the golden era of gaming? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best retro game consoles that blend classic fun with modern features. From vibrant screens to massive game libraries, let's see which one reigns supreme. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Boyhom R36S retro game console. The Boyhom R36S retro game console is designed to bring classic gaming back to life with modern enhancements. Featuring a vibrant 3.5-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 640 by 480, the console delivers sharp and detailed visuals that enhance the nostalgic experience. Whether you're diving into pixelated adventures or colorful retro worlds, the display ensures every game looks crisp and engaging. Equipped with a substantial 64 gigabytes of storage, the R36S provides ample space to hold a wide variety of games. This generous capacity allows gamers to carry an extensive library, making it easy to switch between different titles without worrying about running out of space. Portability is a key highlight of the Boyhom R36S. Its compact and lightweight design means it can easily fit into a bag or pocket, allowing gaming on the move without any hassle. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply relaxing outdoors, the console is a convenient companion for entertainment. The R36S also supports simplified Chinese, making it accessible to a broader audience and ensuring ease of use for native speakers. This thoughtful inclusion adds to the overall user-friendly design of the device. At its core, the Boyhom R36S is a tribute to the retro gaming era. It brings back the charm and excitement of classic handheld consoles, allowing users to relive fond memories and enjoy timeless games in a portable format. The combination of modern display technology, ample storage, and a compact design makes the R36S a compelling choice for fans of vintage gaming. Coming in at number 4, we have the Centechia X7 Plus retro game console. The Centechia X7 Plus retro game console offers a nostalgic journey back to the golden era of gaming with its vast collection of over 12,000 games. This extensive library provides endless entertainment, allowing you to relive cherished childhood memories while sharing fun moments with family and friends. The console's 5.1-inch large screen delivers crisp and clear visuals, enhancing the overall gaming experience with sharp and vibrant images. Equipped with an 8GB built-in memory, the Centechia X7 Plus also supports up to 32GB via a TF card, ensuring ample storage space for your favorite games and media files. The console goes beyond gaming by offering multifunctional features such as MP3 playback, photo viewing, ebook reading, and voice recording, making it a versatile device for entertainment on the go. For those who prefer a larger display, the console supports TV output through its AV interface, allowing you to connect it to your television and enjoy games on a bigger screen. Additionally, it supports USB connections to PCs and other devices for easy game downloads and firmware upgrades, keeping the system up to date and running smoothly. Powered by a robust 2500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, the Centechia X7 Plus provides long-lasting playtime, ensuring you can enjoy extended gaming sessions without frequent recharging. This combination of classic games, versatile functions, and durable battery life makes the Centechia X7 Plus a comprehensive handheld gaming console that caters to both retro enthusiasts and casual players alike. At number 3, the Miyoo Flip V2 retro game console. The Miyoo Flip V2 retro game console is designed to bring classic gaming into the palm of your hand with a perfect blend of durability and performance. Built with a focus on longevity, this console is crafted to endure daily use, ensuring that it remains a reliable companion for gaming enthusiasts. Its robust construction allows it to withstand the rigors of portable use, making it an ideal choice for players who enjoy gaming anytime, anywhere. One of the standout features of the Miyoo Flip V2 is its impressive battery life. Gamers can indulge in extended play sessions without worrying about frequent recharging, allowing for uninterrupted enjoyment of their favorite retro titles. This extended battery capacity enhances the convenience of the console, especially for those who are often on the move. Navigating through the Miyoo Flip is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly interface. The intuitive menu system ensures that users can quickly find and launch games, adjust settings, and access features without any hassle. This ease of use makes the console accessible to both seasoned gamers and newcomers alike. Visuals come to life on the Miyoo Flip V2's high-quality IPS display. The crystal-clear screen delivers vivid colors and sharp imagery, enhancing the nostalgic gaming experience by showcasing classic games in their best form. The screen quality adds a modern touch to the retro gameplay, making every pixel count. As a portable game machine, the Miyoo Flip V2 offers convenience and entertainment wherever you go. Its compact size and durable build make it an excellent travel companion, ready to provide hours of fun during commutes, breaks, or leisurely moments. Whether revisiting old favorites or discovering new classics, the Miyoo Flip V2 stands out as a reliable and enjoyable retro gaming device. In the second spot, we have the Trimui Smart Retro Game Console. The Trimui Smart Retro Game Console offers a delightful blend of nostalgia and modern technology in a compact, portable device designed for gaming enthusiasts on the move. At the heart of this console is a vibrant 2.4-inch IPS screen that delivers crisp and vivid visuals, ensuring an immersive gaming experience whether you're commuting or relaxing at home. Powered by the Smart Pro Mini Linux system, the console runs smoothly and responsively, providing a reliable platform for both classic and modern gameplay. This lightweight system enhances the device's overall performance, allowing games to load quickly and operate without lag, which is essential for maintaining the excitement of retro titles. Connectivity is another strong feature of the Trimui Smart Retro Game Console. Equipped with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.0, it enables seamless connections for multiplayer gaming, firmware updates, or streaming multimedia content. This combination of wireless technologies enhances the console's versatility, letting users enjoy a broader range of features beyond just playing games. The console is tailored for retro gaming lovers, offering access to a vast library of classic games that evoke the charm of earlier gaming eras. Whether you're revisiting old favorites or discovering timeless titles for the first time, the Trimui console provides an authentic and enjoyable retro gaming experience. Designed with portability in mind, this console is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry during travel or daily commutes. Its small form factor does not compromise on functionality, striking a balance between convenience and entertainment value. Overall, the Trimui Smart Retro Game Console is an ideal choice for gamers who appreciate classic games but also want the benefits of modern technology and connectivity in a sleek, portable package. It combines a sharp display, efficient operating system, and robust connectivity to offer a comprehensive handheld gaming experience anytime, anywhere. And finally, at number 1, we have the Anbernic RG40 Retro Game Console. The Anbernic RG40 Retro Game Console is a versatile handheld device designed for gaming enthusiasts who appreciate both classic and modern portable gaming experiences. Featuring a custom 4-inch IPS screen with a full viewing angle and a resolution of 640 by 480, the display ensures vibrant visuals and clarity, making gameplay immersive and enjoyable. The console uses OCA technology for a seamless screen fit, enhancing both durability and visual quality. The RG40 supports a broad range of game formats, allowing users to download and play an extensive library of titles. Compatible systems include popular platforms such as PSP, PS1, Dreamcast, Nintendo DS, Nintendo 64, Arcade, Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color, Game Boy, Super Famicom, Famicom, MAME, Mega Drive, Game Gear, PC Engine, Neo Geo Pocket Color, Sega Master System, WonderSwan Color, among others. This broad compatibility empowers users to enjoy a wide variety of classic and ported games. The console offers various usage modes to adapt to different gaming scenarios. It features HDMI output for projecting gameplay onto larger screens, enhancing the visual experience beyond the handheld device. Bluetooth connectivity further expands the options for wireless controllers or accessories. Additionally, the RG40 supports Moonlight streaming, enabling users to stream PC games directly to the console for flexible gaming anytime, anywhere. Built on a 64-bit Linux system, the RG40 maintains smooth and responsive performance, supporting ported games efficiently. The console's ultra-thin horizontal design makes it comfortable to hold during extended gaming sessions. Visually striking RGB lighting enhances the aesthetic with a colorful ring that displays 16 million colors. 6 adjustable lighting effects can be customized or turned off according to user preference, adding a personal touch to the device's appearance.